Oh my, oh my, oh my, what am I going to do? Christmas dinner is coming up and my dessert, the Buckeyes, they didn't quite turn out the way they were supposed to. So now, what am I going to do? I have to have something to save Christmas. My dinner, it's going to be ruined. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Wait a minute. I've got it. My very own recipe. This will save Christmas like nothing else. It's called crater cake. Crater cake, that's it. And this will make a difference. It will save your Christmas dinner. It's a dessert like no other dessert. I came across this on my very own. I'm excited to share it with you. First, you need to make a chocolate cake mix. I normally would do this from scratch, but you know what? I don't know how to do that. So I'm going to pour in 1 chocolate cake mix into the bowl. And then, because I'm very precise when I cook, I pre-measured these items. 1 cup of water, voila! 1 cup of oil, or no, make that half a cup of oil. All right, here we go. And here it is, 3 eggs. Watch this. 2 at once. Oops. All right, we'll do this again. Maybe 1 at once. 2. 3. Okay, there we go. All right. Now, once you place those eggs delicately in there, you stir this all up. Oops. Remember, don't make a mess. Chef Lejeff's assistant, Judy, gets very upset if I make a mess in the kitchen. That's why I'm so careful. Here we go. You beat this until it looks good. Nice and smooth. This is the key ingredient in crater cake. I wanted a cake that was sweet and smooth and gooey on the inside. So I decided to add marshmallows. 1, 2. It doesn't really matter how many you add, just so you add enough. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, let's just put in the whole bag. All right, here we go. Now, what you do is you mix those marshmallows in with the cake batter until it looks something like this. Then you take some essential pan coating spray. Yeah, right stuff. Okay, here we go. And you spray that pan, get it all nice and coated. And, excuse me. Ah, that was terrible. Okay, here we go. Spray that, and now delicately pour the cake batter into the pans, something like that, evenly distributed so that you get just the right amount of cake and marshmallows. Oops, looks like I can eat more over here. All right. Oh, I didn't get all that powder mixed in. All right, here we go. I guarantee you folks, you've never had a cake quite like this. We'll be right back in exactly 38 minutes at 350 in your stove, oven, whatever you cook in. Welcome back to Chef Lejeff's Kitchen, exactly 38 minutes from when you last saw me. Here we go, folks. This is the moment of truth. The cake that will save Christmas dinner dessert and will be talked about for years to come. Now, the great thing about this cake is this. Many times when you do those 2 pans, you got to flip it out and make sure it comes out and all that stuff. This, you don't have to. Here we go. The great unveiling, the crater cake. Go, folks. Yes, sirree. Look here. Exactly the way it is supposed to look. Now, you may be wondering, what are those holes in there? That is it. The crater cake. The marshmallows melt, fill it with aroma and soft sugar. And great thing is, you don't have to worry about how it looks because it's supposed to look like this. And you don't even have to cut it. All you do is you take a spoon and you just... Best cake ever. thanks for being here today. Come back next week and you'll see a recipe for the future. Signing off, Jeff the Chef. Au revoir. Boy, it's a good thing I did not make a very big mess today. Otherwise, my beautiful assistant Julie would really be upset. But this isn't going to bother her at all. All right.
Oh my gosh! Why can't you cook without making a
What?
huge mess?
I didn't make a mess.
It's a huge
There's no
mess.
mess.
It's awesome.
Oh, that's all part of the ambiance. That's all